Hey everyone, how's it going? So today's the day of the big eclipse. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw a real eclipse using black paper. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our solar eclipse drawing, we're going to do things a little different. So we want to start off with a black piece of paper. You're going to need something to trace and then some different colored pencils. I've got a black, a white, a yellow, an orange, a red, and even like a yellowish orange too. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little circle shape and I'm going to put it in the middle of my black paper. And then what I want to do is I want to take my white colored pencil and I'm going to trace around here. So I'm just going to trace right around here like this. And I'm going to go around it a couple times just so I can get a really nice white line around here. Then when I lift it off, I've got this nice white line. Now what I'm going to do is right around here is I'm just going to kind of make this line a little bit darker. So I'm just going to take my white and I'm just going to kind of color up and down all the way around my circle. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my yellow and I'm going to blend this into my white. So I'm just going to kind of come in here and I'm just going to blend this in, and I'm making my yellow a little bit bigger than I made my white. So I'm just kind of coming in here and blending this right inside of my white. Now next, I'm going to come in here with my yellow-orange color, and I'm just going to kind of blend this in just a little bit right around the top edge of my yellow. So I'm going to do this right around this whole circle. Now my next step is I'm going to come in here with my orange and I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to kind of blend this in with that yellow orange, and I'm going to bring this out a little bit farther. And what I'm doing is I'm going into that yellow orange just so I can really kind of blend these together. Now my next step is I'm going to take my red, and I kind of like to use the side of it, and I'm just going to very lightly just kind of like blend my red right around the edge of the circle. And you can see I'm just kind of using the side, and I'm just going kind of a little bit lighter, just kind of give it a little bit of like a glowing effect. So I'm going to do this right around the edge. Next, what I like to do is I like to come back in here with my yellow, and I like to kind of like blend some of these colors together a little bit with my yellow. So I'm just going to kind of go around and kind of mix some of these colors together just so they can all blend really nicely. Now, then my final step that I like to do is I like to come back in with this white, and I like to make the white a little bit darker right around the edge here, just so we can kind of get that nice kind of contrast between that black and the white. So I'm just going to push down really hard and just kind of go right around here with my white. And there you go, there is your drawing of a solar eclipse using a simple little circle tool and then a couple of different colored pencils. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.